Hello YouTube. Today I am going to be embellishing this AR-15 hand grip for a black and pink pistol, customized pistol I'm going to be doing a build on. First it's going to be sprayed with this lovely magenta Rust-Oleum spray paint. Here's a little clip right here of my husband spray painting this for me. I'll also be later on adding another video with this or sending the link to his channel on how he painted all the pieces. After they were spray painted, we just kind of let them air dry in the sun and cure for a few days. So let them dry for several days before you even do anything to them. I purchased a SIG pink upper from Bear Creek Arsenal. So these are being painted to match my upper. So you'll see the full outcome in a different video. So just stay tuned. For some reason, I didn't record myself when I first started this, but I just got a little bit done there. But you will need 86,000 glue. You'll need some rhinestones. I actually bought a few different shades of pink rhinestones because I wasn't exactly sure which one was going to match. So that's why I do have different variations of pink and fuchsias here. And in addition to rhinestones, I also have some Swarovski crystals as well. Those have a lot more twinkle and shine to them. They're all very pretty. I have non-hot fix, hot fix rhinestones, and the Swarovskis. So that's what a combination of rhinestones that you see here in these three little lids there. See, look where I'm pointing right here. There's a safety that has to come down from the lower, and if there are rhinestones blocking that space, then there will not be enough clearance for the safety to engage safety and make sure the gun does not fire. So I will not be adding rhinestones above the area at the top, and I'll show you at the end of the video in more detail of what it is I'm trying to explain to you, just in case you still don't get it. I was really inspired to do this because pink is one of my very, very favorite colors. And I like to customize things that I have, like shoes, clothes, shirts, whatever it is. I just like to customize things. I was looking online for some inspiration on Pinterest, everywhere. I couldn't find anything with rhinestones on hand grips or on guns or anything. So I was like, well, maybe there is somebody else out there who will receive some inspiration, who was looking for it online like me, and come across this. So hopefully this does give someone some inspiration. I know this is not for everybody. Everyone's not going to like this. Some people's going to probably think it's gaudy, or they may feel like it's a bit much, but that's perfectly fine with me. And I do want to do other colors of this. I even want to test one out and do the whole thing in rhinestones, even the front grip part, just to see how it comes out and just to see like how it actually feels in your hand when you are shooting the pistol. I'm really excited to see what the final build comes out to look like. I hope you are too, because I'll be uploading videos based on new pieces that I add on to my pistol. And I'm just really excited at how that can of spray paint, which was only no more than $5, was able to basically be a good dupe for the Sig Pink Cerakote. Because that's what I'm trying to mimic here, the Cerakote, because I bought the upper and it's already pink Cerakoted, but they don't sell all the other pieces on the website. But I'm really, really excited about this build. So I'll make sure I post videos of me actually shooting it as well. So just make sure that you try to keep up with it so you can see how it turns out in the end. Also, I want to say I am at about 960 subscribers and I am so grateful. I just want to say hi to my new subscribers. Hey, y'all. I'll be at 1,000 subscribers really soon, probably hopefully by the next couple weeks. And I'm sure this type of video will bring more subscribers too who are interested in AR builds or something like that. This is not a gun channel. It's just a customization and a DIY channel. I will be changing the name of my channel eventually because I just want to have a better name for it. I just haven't decided on it yet. But welcome, 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 new subscribers. Okay, look, this is exactly what I was trying to explain to you. This black part you see that I'm putting my hand grip on, that is a lower, in case you didn't know. Some of you may know, some of you probably don't, because I had to learn all this stuff myself. The top part that's pink is the upper. That's the color I'm trying to match with. And look how close it is. Now look, this is where I'm pointing. This is my clearance area right here where my safety is. I do have more room to add more rhinestones, so I just wanted to make sure that I wasn't too close and that I could just swing my safety back and forth, because you have to make sure that you leave clearance for your safety. So remember that when you are embellishing your hand grip. See that? I added more rhinestones to it, and you see how I have just a little bit of room right here. I was trying to move this one to the side a little bit more. I guess it kind of dried a little bit, the glue dried on it. But look, I made it to where it's just enough. So it's not like you're going to have this whole big area with missing rhinestones. That's not the case. It's just a little smidgen of an area that you want to have cleared so you can be safe and put your rifle/pistol on safety. So I hope I explained that to you pretty good. Okay, now This is the finished result. What do you think? What do you think? This is nice and sparkly and pretty, but just imagine in the sunlight how this would look. I love it, and it feels really good in my hand. It feels very sturdy. It still needs to dry. Look, this is a sneak peek. This video will be my next video. I'll go ahead and edit. I added some embellishments to my magazine as well, and that's a sneak peek in the background of my upper from Bear Creek Arsenal. That is the Sig Pink that I was trying to mimic with the Rust-Oleum Magenta paint, and I think it came out really, really good. The paint is a little scratched off because it made it thicker. When you put it inside of the rifle, it kind of like pulled some of the paint off, but it's fine because that part doesn't show. But oh yeah, and you should also check this video out too. This is my stabilizer, my pistol stabilizer fin. So all of this is going to get put together like I said, so I want you guys to check it out, see how it turns out. I hope you love it. If you don't, that's fine too. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.